In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open annual budget in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have the annual budget template open and know exactly where to enter your numbers, so the spreadsheet does the math for you. First, open your web browser and go to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, look for the Google Apps button. It's the small grid of dots. Click that grid to open the Apps menu, then select Sheets. If you don't see the grid or Sheets, make sure you're signed in to your Google account, then try again. You'll land on the Google Sheets homepage. At the top, under the Start a New Spreadsheet area, you'll see options like Blank and several templates. Find the annual budget template. If it isn't visible right away, click Template Gallery to expand the full list. Then scroll until you see Annual Budget and click it. Google Sheets will open a new file based on that template and save it to your drive automatically. Once the template loads, look at the tabs at the bottom. You'll see separate sheets for expenses, income, and summary. These work together. You'll enter spending on the Expenses tab, money you earn on the Income tab, and the Summary tab will bring everything together in one place. Open the Expenses tab to start listing your monthly costs. The template includes common categories and a column for each month. Type your amounts for items like clothing for children, medical costs, school fees, groceries, transportation, and anything else that applies. If a category label doesn't fit your life, you can click the cell and rename it. Enter numbers in the month columns, and the template will total each category and month for you. No formulas needed. Next, switch to the Income tab. Here, add all the money you expect to receive each month. Include your base pay, plus variable items like bonuses, tips, commission, and any side income. As with expenses, put the amounts in the appropriate month columns. Keep your entries numeric and consistent so the totals and charts stay accurate. Finally, open the Summary tab to see the big picture. This view combines your income and expenses, showing totals by month and for the year. Use it to spot which months run high or low, track your savings or shortfall, and confirm that your inputs are flowing through correctly. If something looks off, jump back to expenses or income and adjust the figures. That's it. You've opened the annual budget in Google Sheets and know where to enter your data. The file saves automatically, so you can return to it anytime from Sheets or Drive and keep your budget up to date throughout the year.